Bob, pretty blown away when I came in here, having a look around at what you do. Tell us a little bit about Whiston Industries.
Whiston Industries is the UK's largest press tool manufacturer. We're a world-class company manufacturing dies for the automotive industry.
Is it just the UK market that you're servicing or around the world?
No, we're a true world-class company, so we manufacture dies for all over the world. North America, South America, all over Europe.
This is pretty heavy engineering, isn't it? I was thinking to myself when I came in here, how much working capital in castings have you got around here, do you think, just to put an estimate on it?
Millions, literally millions. Our investment is enormous. We're a world-class company who needs world-class equipment.
And what are we doing here? I mean, I know we're machining in this division here, but you also actually have an area where you're actually using the press tools as well, don't you?
We do. We have our own press capacity. So if we're able to manufacture very large dies, we need large press capacity that replicates our customers' own press facilities.
The reason we're here today, I mean, this machine behind us, again, blown away from what you're doing, but this machine as well is something else. Gruppo Parpas, supplied by MTDCNC. How long's this machine been in place here?
We've only been operating this machine for the past few months. You're seeing the machine right at the beginning of its working life. We're very proud of this machine as well.
What was the need for it?
The need was there for accuracy, speed, and the ability to produce our customers' requirements on time.
What's the die in here at the moment? I mean, it probably is quite obvious, but for our audience, explain what it is.
This is a die for a UK hood or a UK bonnet.
And is this a common sort of press tool that you're making?
It's not a common tool. There's very few bonnets manufactured in the world. Whiston Industries manufactures the very largest bonnets manufactured anywhere in aluminium.
Oh, really? Okay, incredible fact. So when you say accuracy, when I look at this, I sort of think to myself, do you need to be accurate when you've got a press tool like that? I mean, surely it's more about surface finish, isn't it?
It's not just surface finish, it's accuracy. We've got to manufacture the top and bottom dies so that they meet together and produce an accurate, consistent component.
And were there many options open to you of machines when you were looking around the market? And why did this one stand out?
There certainly were other options, but this was the number one in our field. It's the machine itself is designed to manufacture large dies and moulds.
And MTDCNC, it was your first use of them as a supplier, wasn't it? I mean, you were putting a lot of investment into someone that you'd really, your first dealings with. Was it the right thing to do?
It was certainly the right thing to do. We've been very pleased with them. We've been very pleased with their service and their backup.
Because the installation of this is no mean feat, is it? How long did it all take from the foundations going in and the machine being up and running? How long was that journey?
Well, this was a 6-month program. That's a long time to install a new machine, but there's a lot of foundations in there as well.
And Bob, the press shop here, I've been in there, and again, it's not often we see a press shop of that size doing that work. Just tell us about the kind of tonnage that you're pressing some of these parts using.
We've got presses in there up to nearly 2,000 tonnes. Each press is replicating our customers' requirements, our customers' press lines. So when we do a test or a tryout of a tool, our customer is often present.
And how are you measured as a company from your customer? Because I'm thinking it must be the durability of the tool, how long it's lasted.
The durability of the tool is just one aspect of a new die. Accuracy and speed of operation are two very high factors.
And how does the die meet those requirements? I mean, surely that's down to the press, isn't it, how fast it presses?
The press is a big part of it, but of course it's how the tool is designed. And Whiston Industries has a reputation for designing and manufacturing large dies.
So you do all the designing and all the manufacturing. Tell me a little bit about your team finally. How many people have you got here? How many do you employ? Tell us a little bit about that heritage.
Yes, we're a company employing 70 people that works day shift and a night shift. We employ some 12 people in our engineering offices, designing and simulating press tool manufacture.
You say you're the largest or one of the best or the best in the UK.
We are the best.
What about worldwide? Are you the best around the world?
We're one of the best around the world. We hold our own with the very largest companies anywhere. In North America, in Japan, in China, we are one of the best.